What's the meaning of confess? Confess. Confess.
Confess. Confess. Confess means to admit or acknowledge a wrongdoing or fault. It involves owning up to something that may have been hidden or denied before. When someone confesses, they are taking responsibility for their actions and acknowledging the impact it may have on others. Confessing can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, or relief. It can also promote trust and honesty in relationships and potentially lead to forgiveness and reconciliation. Overall, confessing is an important step towards personal growth and accountability.